Yes.
Hey, what's up, baby?
No, don't hey baby me after you haven't talked to me in hours.
I've been working all day. I couldn't talk to you.
It's been too long. And then too, I feel like you don't love me.
I talked to you my whole break, too. I couldn't even eat.
Just say you don't love me because on Instagram I heard that if your man don't talk to you every second of the day, he don't love you.
Look, first of all, you need to stay off Instagram taking that terrible advice. And two, I do love you.
Okay, maybe I am overreacting a little bit.
Listen, baby, if I talk to you all day, I'm not going to be able to work. And if I'm not working, guess what? I'm going to be broke. You don't want your man broke, do you?
No.
I promise I'll be better. I'll try to send a couple extra texts or something.
Okay.
All right, so you forgive me?
Yeah, we good.
Perfect. So can I come see you?
No, you're not about to just woo your way in here after not talking to me for hours.
Are you serious?
Yes.
All right, I'm breaking up. I'm going to go cheat. Bye.